So in this video, we are going to learn how to add text and shape to your image and how to create a banner ad. So for this, create a new page, or you can use existing one. Here I am creating the new page by pressing Ctrl N. Ctrl N, this dialog box will appear. Select OK, or you can select the desired document type as per your requirements. So I'm selecting this default one, default Photoshop size. Just press OK. And what we require when creating any banner ad or anything? First, we need outline. So for that, create outline. For that, select this tool, rectangle mark tool. Outline as per your requirements. According to the ruler, setting some specific and standard margins. I'm selecting this from this end. So I have selected the area for the outline. So this will be my outline. I have selected the outline area. After that, after selecting the outline area, just press the edit, and after pressing edit, just press the stroke. Select the stroke option, and you can select the width over here. Here I will select 10 px at the width. Any desired color you want, you can set it. Or currently I have set it black. You can set any yellow or red or blue according to your design. So I'll set here as my orange color, the dark orange, and press OK. OK again. You can see over here outline has been created, and for removing this selection, just press Ctrl D. Just press Ctrl D over here, and you can see the selection has been removed. Now, at first, what you see in a branding page, you can see that there is a brand name. So here you can select the text tool from this T. In every Photoshop version, the T has been displayed for text. So select this tool and just press on the page. Click on the page. You can select the sizes from here. You can select any sizes. I will select this size. Now you will be adding the branding name. What will be your brand name? Just your brand name. You can just change the color accordingly. You can select Ctrl A and select the colors. If you set yellow or black or blue, anything you desired, your brand name. Select from this, just right click and over here, or you can directly select. Again press as you have seen, Ctrl T, press Ctrl T and just rasterize or resize the image by pressing only Shift and select over here. And again we can add text. For next we have you can see services on any branding page. So just press services, and you can add 1, 2, 3 services, anymore. You can see service list on any banner image of that particular organization or the firm. You can select this and just reduce the size, because that's according to the brand name, it must be smaller than the brand image size. You can almost change the colors from this. You can change or just change to black simply. So like this you can create the banner image. You can add the address over here, address, again by adding this you can also add the website name. So like this you can create the banner image, and just now all the layers are different. Just accordingly we have seen, just select the layers and just flatten image so that layers will be locked, and you can just save your image accordingly. So these are the all the things, those are the variety of your photoshops, variety of the tools in Photoshop you can just select. So that's what for this video. We'll meet in the next video.